Your Pixel phone features a Fingerprint Unlock sensor that can be used to unlock your phone, sign into apps or approve a purchase. On most Pixel phones, the sensor is on the lower half of the screen. On the Pixel Fold, the sensor is on the power button on the side of the device. To unlock your device, press your fingerprint firmly and evenly on the sensor. To fix issues with Fingerprint Unlock, first make sure that you're using the same finger that you used when setting up Fingerprint Unlock. Your fingerprint should cover the entire sensor when you scan it. Make sure that your hands are clean and free of dirt or oil. If you're still having issues, you can delete your current saved fingerprint and re-enroll. Make sure that you move your finger around to capture all sides of your finger. You can also add additional fingerprints to make unlocking your device more flexible. To delete your current saved fingerprint, swipe up to see your apps. Open the Settings app. Scroll down. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap Device Unlock. Tap Fingerprint and Face Unlock. Enter your PIN. Tap Fingerprint Unlock. Then tap the bin icon. Tap Delete. To add a new fingerprint, tap Add Fingerprint. To capture your new fingerprint, follow the prompts on the screen. Tap Done. If you use a screen protector, to update your touch sensitivity settings, go to Settings. Tap Display, and then tap Touch Sensitivity. Turn on Screen Protector mode.